Good evening, you're now with me, Lorenzo Isaac, for TVS Nightline. Here are the headlines for tonight. SINIAWAN Heritage Town eyes global status with UNESCO Global Geopark nomination as Premier. Abang Johari touts world-class geotourism potential. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim urges clean governance and disciplined forces, not just hardware, warning that without them, billions in defence spending are wasted, while efficient immigration, APMM and customs can boost security and tourism. In world news, Netanyahu blasts Western recognition of a Palestinian state as diplomats walk out of his UN address amid escalating tensions over the Gaza war. The SINIAWAN Heritage Town continues to rise on the international stage as it is now part of an area nominated for recognition as a UNESCO Global Geopark. Sarawak Premier Dato' Peninggi Tan Sri Abang Johari Tun Openg said the recognition would position SINIAWAN as a world-class attraction and place Sarawak prominently on the international geotourism map.
The part of this geopark is bau. Bau dengan serian. Part of serian dengan bau dari sudut karakternya. Jadi ini akan menjadi tumpuan dunia. Kerana ini adalah sebahagian daripada UNESCO Geopark. Jadi ini yang kita pamerkan dengan masyarakat dunia, dengan trail yang ada di kawasan SINIAWAN. We have to think big. Jadi SINIAWAN ini akan menjadi daripada trail dunia yang ada geopark kena diiktirafkan oleh UNESCO.
He said this while officiating the SINIAWAN Waterfront launch in conjunction with the SINIAWAN Country Music Festival 2025 and the 185th anniversary of SINIAWAN Town in Bau on Saturday. He added that the geopark's development will not only elevate SINIAWAN globally but also deliver significant benefits to local residents through tourism spillovers and eco-tourism activities. With UNESCO Geopark candidate status, SINIAWAN is now on track to be known as an iconic global destination, blending heritage value, natural beauty, and a distinct historical identity. Smart waste management can serve as a catalyst for a sustainable circular economy and deliver significant value aid to state development. Sarawak Premier Dato' Peninggi Tan Sri Abang Johari Tun Openg said the strategy not only reduces environmental pollution but also opens new opportunities in agriculture, livestock and green energy through the circular economy model.
Yang menjadi tarikan saya tadi ialah circular economy. Maka kelapa sawit ini, kernelnya, kalau tak silap saya bahasa kita tempurung. Tempurung itu kita crushkan menjadi biomas dan ia dicampur sedikit dengan napier grass atau rumput napier. Ia menjadi makanan haiwan yang berzat. Ada proteinnya di sana untuk haiwan kita. Kalau ini dapat kita collect dan juga kita transformkan jadi makanan haiwan, termasuklah lembu, kambing dan seterusnya, mana haiwan kita mempunyai kesihatan yang baik.
He added that a science-based approach to waste management is the state government's emphasis to ensure waste can be processed into useful materials for people, animals and the environment.
Kita mempunyai cara baru secara sains dan kelapa sawit ini kita putarkan menjadi makanan haiwan. Jadi, I wish you good luck kepada orang Sinawan. Itu memang tekanan kami dalam kerajaan. InsyaAllah dalam Jun yang akan datang kita akan mengumumkan satu undang-undang baru mengenai dengan pengurusan waste menjadi you monetize the waste, menjadi satu bahan yang akan mewujudkan kitaran ekonomi yang sustainable.
He said the effort is aligned with Sarawak's policy to promote a green economy, further strengthening the state's position as a regional leader in sustainable development. Sarawak Premier Dato' Peninggi Tan Sri Abang Johari Tun Openg stressed the importance of training young people in future-oriented fields, including veterinary, sciences and electrical services to ensure they can contribute to the state's development. According to Abang Johari, Sarawak has a large pool of competitive local talent and continuous efforts are needed to provide training and education opportunities aligned with the needs of modern industry.
Kita berkedakkan anak-anak kita yang pakar dalam jurusan veteriner dan juga jurusan yang dah hubung kait dengan perkhidmatan services industri dan juga industri ini. Sebabnya anak kita mesti dilatihkan dalam jurusan-jurusan yang baru dalam ekonomi baru. Saya rasa bakat anak kita orang Sarawak boleh tahan.
Earlier, Abang Johari conducted a 5-day official visit to London to attend the SMD Semiconductor Document Exchange ceremony with strategic partners. He had also witnessed the launch in the United Kingdom of Katek AI, a device developed by Sarawakian talent. He said these achievements prove that Sarawak's youth possess the intellectual capacity, competitiveness and mental resilience on par with their peers abroad. Deputy Premier of Sarawak, Dato' Amar Dr. Sin Kui Hian, said the state deserves the autonomy in the health sector to ensure medical services match actual needs. He said long-standing shortfalls in funding, facilities and healthcare manpower show why Sarawak should manage this sector itself. He also noted sharp disparities in allocations between Sarawak hospitals and comparable facilities overseas, including in Australia, highlighting gaps in funding and workforce.
I think it's important for the community and everyone in Sarawak that we have to come together, work together, compassionate to each other, understand what's the issue, you know. And part of this reason, that's why Sarawak asking for our health autonomy under MA63. Health autonomy under MA63.
He was speaking at the opening of the second Stoma and Continent Symposium at the Borneo Cultures Museum on Saturday. He said that with health autonomy, Sarawak can plan more effective strategies tailored to its geography and demography, prioritizing local communities. Dr. Sim added that current conditions are doubling workloads for doctors and nurses, especially in major urban hospitals, affecting the quality of patient care. Coastal cleanup efforts not only protect the environment, they also help reduce the risk of environment-related disease such as dengue. An environmental control officer with the Natural Resource and Environment Board (NREB), Muhammad Norazri Sulaiman, said river and shoreline hygiene cannot be taken lightly as it directly affects community health.
Yang baru-baru ni kita ada terdapat increasing dalam kes denggi kan dekat kawasan-kawasan Bandar Bintulu sana. This also berkaitan dengan kebersihan lah, kebersihan sungai, kebersihan aliran air, macam mana orang buang sampah dekat tempat yang tak sepatutnya. Jadi itu yang menyebabkan kawasan tu sebenarnya air senang bertakung. Itu pun salah satu pendedahan. Dan saya juga dimaklumkan sudah diadakan juga gotong royong di kawasan-kawasan sana. Okay? Jadi kalau boleh benda-benda macam tu kita teruskan, keep it up lah. Supaya Bandar Bintulu kita dalam keadaan yang bagus, insyaAllah.
Meanwhile, Assistant Environmental Control Officer with the Department of Environment DOE Bintulu, Hasfah Muhammad Ali, said environmental stewardship starts at home as most of the litter found is domestic waste.
Okey, sebenarnya sepatutnya program kesedaran perlu dijalankan daripada rumah lagi sebenarnya. Supaya sebab sampah yang ada di sini adalah daripada household, bukan daripada industri. Jadi sepatutnya kesedaran tu perlu dididik daripada awal lagi. Masyarakat sendiri. Ya, betul-betul. Alam sekitar itu tanggungjawab bersama, bukan tanggungjawab satu pihak sahaja.
The Beach Cleanup Initiative by HHA Associate Nirian Berhad underscores how private sector corporate social responsibility can be mobilized for community impact, enhancing coastal cleanliness while advancing public health outcomes in Bintulu. PC Image at Bintang Mega Mall Miri is offering discounts of up to RM2,600 on laptop purchases in conjunction with the grand opening of the PC Image concept store. The branch is also rolling out doorbusters with select items priced from as low as 99 cents.
Hari ini ada VVIP datang untuk buat cutting ribbon sempena kita orang punya grand opening dekat Bintang Mega Mall lah. Kita punya ada concept store, Lenovo, Acer, Asus dan juga HP. Kita orang ada konsep, kita ada cosplay event. Lepas tu kita pun ada juga free popcorn dan juga cotton candy lah. Promotion yang kita ada sekarang ni ada produk bermula daripada harga 99 sen. Lepas tu kita ada laptop diskaun RM2,600. Lepas tu kita ada 360 photo booth. Okay. Lepas tu kita ada snap and free. Maksudnya korang boleh datang untuk ambil gambar, beli barang. Lepas tu kita orang ada bagi free gambar juga.
Customers said PC Image is a go-to for computer gear, with students especially drawn by the 99-cent deals.
Usually I will look at CPUs, GPUs, or maybe some motherboards. Want to buy here maybe a printer and maybe next time come here buy a graphics card.
Kalau dekat PC Image, lalu saya beli headphone lah sebab headphone sini memang harga dia pun cun. Lepas tu memang quality lah.
The grand opening program runs for 3 days from 26 to 28 September on Level 3, Bintang Mega Mall, Miri. Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim stressed that national defence strength does not rest solely on assets or equipment, but also on the discipline of the security forces and a governance system free of corruption and leakages. He said that even if the government spends billions of ringgit on the security sector, such investment will be wasted if there are leakages, wastage or breaches of trust in public management.
Kita nak tangani masalah penyeludupan manusia, barang, senjata, dadah, ini dan juga pencerobohan. Ini semua memerlukan satu angkatan yang disiplin, yang punya tata kelola yang baik. Sudah saya boleh sebut tentang kelengkapan. Tadi di Parlimen kita tentera pun ada. Dia saya sebut belanja tu kadang-kadang tinggi. 10 bilion, 21.6 bilion untuk tentera. Tapi tengok kelengkapan tak begitu baik. Sebab itu jangan lupa nak jaga negara ini tata kelola harus baik.
Anwar also emphasized that public funds are not personal property but a trust to be used in the people's interests. He added that Sabah tourism's success, drawing visitors from Germany, China and Korea, shows how security stability and quality infrastructure have a direct impact on the national economy. See the world closer with TVS as we bring you the latest news updates both locally and internationally. For more headlines anytime, anywhere, just head on to our official website tvsarawak.my or follow us on our social media platforms at TV Sarawak. Those were the updates on TVS Nightline. I'm Lorenzo Isaac. Thank you for watching and have a good night.